Go High Level offers a powerful invoicing system integrated into its comprehensive CRM, marketing automation, and funnel building platform. This all-in-one platform streamlines business operations, and its invoicing features make it easy to manage billing directly from your dashboard. From the GHL dashboard, you can access invoicing alongside tools for contacts, opportunities, and marketing campaigns. We'll guide you through creating professional invoices with customizable templates and client details. Learn to build and manage your product catalog for easy invoicing. Configure automatic tax calculations to ensure compliance. Generate and send branded PDF invoices directly from the platform. Throughout this series, we'll focus on simplicity, customization, and efficiency to help you streamline your invoicing process. First, navigate to the Payments or Invoices tab in your Go High Level dashboard. This central hub allows you to manage all your invoicing activities. Make sure you have the appropriate user roles, admin, staff, to access and modify invoices. The interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring a smooth experience for all users. The first step in creating a new invoice is to navigate to the Invoicing section and select the Create Invoice option. This can be found in the Payments or Invoices tab within the Go High Level dashboard. Once you've selected to create an invoice, input your client's details. Go High Level makes this easy by allowing you to pull information directly from your existing CRM contacts. Simply search and select the client to auto-populate their name, address, and contact information. Next, add line items for the products or services you're invoicing. Go High Level allows you to add multiple items with descriptions, quantities, and prices. You can select from your predefined product catalog or manually enter new items for each invoice. To maintain consistency across all your invoices, utilize Go High Level's smart templates. These customizable templates include your branding, logos, and colors. Choose from pre-built options or create your own to ensure professional-looking invoices every time. Finally, remember to fill in all required fields accurately to avoid errors. This includes invoice number, dates, payment terms, and any necessary tax information. Double-check your entries before saving and sending the invoice. Go High Level allows you to create a product and service library for easy invoicing. This centralized catalog helps streamline your billing process. Each product in your library includes essential fields like name, SKU for tracking, price, description, and taxability settings to ensure accurate invoicing. Products can be linked to your campaigns or funnels, enabling automated invoicing post-sale. This integration ensures seamless billing workflows. Keeping your product library up to date saves time during invoice creation and reduces errors, leading to more accurate and efficient billing. Taxes in Go High Level can be configured at two main levels: the line item level or the invoice level. This flexibility allows you to apply taxes precisely where needed for accurate billing. You can set default tax rates for common scenarios, such as state sales tax or VAT. However, for special cases, you can override these defaults on a per-invoice basis to handle unique client situations or promotional pricing. Go High Level integrates with tax APIs like TaxJar to automatically calculate taxes based on the customer's location. This ensures accurate, location-specific tax rates without manual research and helps maintain compliance with changing tax laws across different regions. Here's an example of how taxes appear on a final invoice. Notice how the tax amount is clearly broken out and the total reflects all applicable taxes for the customer's location. To maintain compliance, always verify that your tax settings are correctly configured for your region. Double-check default rates, API integrations, and test calculations with sample invoices before sending them to clients. Once your invoice is complete in Go High Level, the system automatically generates a professional PDF document. This PDF includes customizable branding elements like your company logo and brand colors to maintain a consistent professional appearance. You can personalize the PDF with your business logo, color scheme, and other branding elements to ensure it reflects your company's identity. This creates a polished document that builds trust with your clients. From within Go High Level, you can send the invoice PDF directly via email. The platform provides email tracking features that monitor when the email is opened and when payments are made, helping you stay on top of your receivables. You can embed payment links directly in the invoice, integrating with services like Stripe for secure online payments. This makes it easy for clients to pay immediately, improving cash flow and reducing follow-up work. Always ensure your branding elements are consistent and professional across all invoices. This creates a cohesive experience that enhances your business's reputation and encourages timely payments. Go High Level supports multiple payment options to make transactions seamless for your clients. Let's explore the key features that help automate and streamline the payment process. GHL offers several payment methods, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and digital wallets. The standout feature is deep integration with Stripe, enabling secure online transactions directly through your invoices. Integration with Stripe allows for seamless online transactions. Set up your Stripe account in GHL's Integrations tab, and your clients can pay invoices instantly through secure payment links. This includes mobile support for on-the-go payments. To ensure clients pay on time, set up automated payment reminders. These can be configured to send email notifications at predefined intervals using customizable templates that match your branding. Each invoice PDF includes integrated payment links, making it easy for clients to pay directly from the document. These links connect to your Stripe account for immediate processing. Monitor all payment statuses directly in the GHL platform. Use the Analytics dashboard to track real-time payments, view conversion rates, and manage your cash flow effectively with automated status updates. Now let's explore some essential tips and best practices for maximizing your invoicing efficiency in Go High Level. First, utilize Go High Level's automation features to streamline your invoicing process. Set up triggers for automatic invoice generation based on sales completions, subscription renewals, or client milestones. This reduces manual work and ensures timely billing. Second, regularly update your product and service library to reflect changes in pricing or offerings. Keep your catalog current with accurate pricing, descriptions, and tax settings. Review quarterly for changes in offerings or market conditions to maintain compliance and accuracy. Third, take advantage of the reporting features to track invoice statuses and payment trends. Use built-in analytics to monitor payment trends, overdue accounts, and overall cash flow. Generate reports to identify bottlenecks and optimize your cash flow management. Fourth, stay informed about new features and updates in GHL to optimize your invoicing workflow. Follow release notes, join user communities, and participate in webinars. New features like advanced integrations can significantly enhance your invoicing workflow. By implementing these best practices, you can efficiently manage your invoices and improve your business operations. Experience reduced administrative time, better cash flow, and increased compliance with automated and updated processes.